I'm talking me. Yeah, I'm talking bossy. I ain't talking Khalees. Your money too short, you can't be talking to me. Yeah, I'm talking LeBron. We ballin' our family tree. Good music.
What's up, y'all? This is AJ Sanders, boy. Alright, I know y'all been seeing on my page everything that's been going on here lately for about a week now. And I I have generated such a good fucking team. I love my team. This program that we with is MCA. By the way, some of y'all probably think that it's a fucking scam. It's because y'all scared of success. It's because you have the fear. You're fearing success right now. You're not ready to be motivated. You're not ready to have the desire to make money. So I can't do nothing with you if you ain't motivated to make no money. Cause that's what I do. That's what I do. I have a team that likes to make money, that likes to get money, that likes to help other people make money. Cause I like to help people. I'm a people person. I'm one of them people. They cool. They my friend. I'm one of them people. Like, cause I'm nice. But instead of being so damn nice, I'm I'm only nice when it comes to money. Like, if you want to make money, you want to figure out what the fuck I do, how you do it, is you gonna have to inbox me, and I'll let you know. I'll give you all the details. This ain't no fucking scam. Don't come to me with that scam bullshit because I'm definitely making cash. I'm definitely doing whatever fuck I want to when I want to, and soon it's gonna be wherever I want to. Cause right now I'm off work. Some of y'all don't enjoy y'all fucking day off. Y'all know why? Because you're not making no money. You're not getting no hours. You're not getting that $8 an hour and shit. Yeah, I make $8.50 at JCPenney's. I'm so fucking happy that I'm off work because you know why? You know why? It's because I am making money right now. I'm making money because I invested $20 into my business, into myself, because I've wasted money in the past. So I was like, I ran into this guy called Anthony. His name was Anthony Cashflow Lender. Some of y'all may know him. Y'all need to get friends with him because that's how we do business. And if you want, you gonna have to join my team because it's our whole team. You feel me? He introduced it to me. He said it takes 2 20s. It's $40. You know, you feel me? And it is. It is. And you know what? I made money that first 2 hours in the fucking morning. And I still got people who want to join this week. $80 when somebody joins for you. 80 fucking dollars. $40 for your first month and for your last month. Oh shit, I'm out of breath right now because I'm excited for this business. This how I get pumped. I get pumped about making money. That's just me. That's me. That's me. And it could be you. It only took me 2 20s. 120 is for the first month because I'm a member and I get my services and shit for free. Not for free because I pay $20 a month. But still, $20 ain't shit because it's protecting me in my car. It's protecting me and my health. You know, if I gotta go to the emergency room, that's $500 to help me out. So I won't have to pay that shit. You know, like, what do I even need health insurance for? Some of y'all probably do because y'all just stay sick or some shit. Something wrong with you. But another good thing is that when you get a fucking ticket, MCA would take care of it for you. Yeah, I wake up with, you know what I do in the morning? I wake up looking at my 20s because it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing because I'm getting paid without doing shit and I'm just only talking to people. You feel me? That's how it is. That's really how it is. And if you want to make this money, hit me up. My email is right down there below the screen. Everything. A.J.Sanders is my Facebook name. My email, ajsanders11@yahoo.com. Come on my team. Hit me up. I'll show you the ins and outs of everything after you sign, after you have hope, because that lets me know you ready. You ready to be on the team. I got people who are anxious than a motherfucker to be on the team, but they waiting on their fucking check for Friday. You know, y'all better be watching videos and shit. Y'all better see what this shit is about. Actually, you might want to kind of dim it down a little bit, because if you ain't got the money, you go fucking customize yard. Go do a tattoo if you do tattoos. I ain't saying just go buy a kid and be like, oh, I gotta go get a kid. You know, it's all that crazy shit. But go clean up somebody's house. Go tell your mama a fucking lie and be like, hey, mom, can I get $20? And then have your buddy spot you. You feel me? That's how the game works. If you really want this shit, you will get it. It takes 222 motherfucking Andrew J. Jacksons. I think that's his motherfucking name. Yeah. I should know, like, remember it since I fucking have so many of these bitches. 2, to start duplicating all this. All this could be yours. I promise you. You put in the effort, you get what you put in. Repeat that. You get what you put in. And look it up. And you ain't gonna find nothing on Facebook. Not on Facebook. You ain't gonna find nothing on YouTube where it says it's a scam. Because I haven't found it. You let me know. Because the motherfucker could be lying or could be boofing the shit. Because they hating. They hating on us right now. They hating. You want haters? Come on. Let's get haters together. Please. There's something wrong if you ain't got no haters. You feel me? So don't come in my inbox with that bullshit talking about it's a scam. Because my fucking money's right here. I made money within a week real quick. I got my check going to Indiana right now. And stuff because I don't want them to know. Well, I'm in California right now. So it's in Indiana. And then it's getting shipped to me. I haven't even got my training shit yet. And I'm making money. You don't have to wait on your training shit yet to order to make money. You got the fucking internet right here in front of you. Make money. Come get money. Hit me up. Be serious. Be motivated. Come at me. Come get me. Come do whatever to get my fucking attention. Because I'm ready to make money with you. And I'm ready to help you make money.
Hey, man. What it is, nigga? Hey, man, we got to show these niggas how we do, man.
Flexing on them hard King Kong in the trunk, spilling any in my seat, bad bitch rolling up. Anywhere a nigga go, I don't give a motherfuck. Screaming them AD, music, alcohol, and drugs.
I'm in that Crown Vic, I'm being told. Trying to find a chick to pull like a bad tooth. I'm in all different women and they friends too. But I'm just looking for a Mary J like Kendall.
Too much money on my mind, good weed, bad bitches on the block all day. Like what's poppin' like a nigga. Every bitch want a boss, real stand up niggas. So they ask where they at, I put my hand up, nigga.
Let's go. Mac Millie got the hoes going silly. Ride the motherfucking B. Papa Willie, tell him give me a rhyme with the semi. Breaking down a Philly. Sour cushion purple, call that T-Boz left our chili,
We wavin', we flexin', we low so cool. Wavin', flexin', I'm so cool.
Okay, beat the keys up, roll that weed up, get your cheese up. Hold a lady, say yo.